Every great love story has a beginning, and Erika and Jarrod's began at C-SPAN. They both were instantly captivated. For Jarrod, it was Erika's beauty. For Erika, well, let's just say Jarrod brought the booty.
Finally, one night, after a little peer pressure from Oker and myself, he confessed, through quite the waterfall of tears, there was this girl, and not just any girl. He said this was the girl he was convinced he was going to marry.
In this moment, forever be, in this moment, forever be.
Gonna stay in this moment.
Fast forward to when I finally met Erika, and everything just fell into place for me. After that first patented dad joke, followed by the perfectly placed dab, the way Jarrod looked at her, the way that she carried herself, it was obvious why he was so head over heels.
She's the kind of friend who would happily spend hours memorizing every word to an Eminem song with me for absolutely no reason. She's the kind of friend who would happily bust the same rhyme up here with me with perfect memory 18 years later. Little did I know, the teenage girl rapping in front of a desktop computer would one day be the bride I'd be speaking for today.
Watching you grow from a very curious child into the responsible young man you are today has been a privilege for us as parents. You have been a loving son to us and a loving brother to your beautiful sister, who, by the way, has been waiting a long time for a sister-in-law.
No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why.
Jokes aside, Jarrod, you know how much you mean to me. To avoid too many tears, I'm not going to go into too many details about that.
I have seen many places where the beauty never.
Jarrod, I'm so lucky to be here marrying you today. You are not only the most handsome man I've ever seen, but so witty and charming too. Although it's hard for me to admit, you're also much funnier than me, which is saying a lot. Your endless repetitive dad jokes will never not make me laugh. I look forward to hearing them forever.
He found his forever partner, and if I'm being honest, I think he might even love Erika more than the Eagles. Though I wouldn't put money on it in the playoffs.
It's my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Jarrod, you may kiss the bride.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And
since she's met Jarrod, she is living her best life. She is so happy, and we want to thank you, Jarrod, for making that happen. Together, they will have a life full of adventure, and they will make beautiful memories and hopefully beautiful babies.
I've never seen you happier and more successful than when you've been with Erika. You're absolute magic together, the two of you. The way you are with my girls, the way that you love them both, it makes me so excited for the day that you guys become parents. and we all are very excited for that day.
Places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Traditionally, this is the part of the speech where you'd all raise your glass for a toast. But because this is Jared and Erika, raise your glass and damn.
We just wanted to say that we love you. And Demi Lou. We love you both.
I got this feeling I can't describe. There's magic in the air, the world has come alive. And when I see you, you make my pulse rise. I never knew that I could be so hypnotized. There's something in your touch, baby. When your body's moving me, and I don't know where this soul will go. Oh, nobody knows. Out of nowhere into my life, you walked in and you opened my eyes. Can't believe this could happen to me. You came crashing in out of nowhere. Oh, this love is straight out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. I've never fallen in love so deep. I run, I trip, I fall. I just can't find my feet. If I don't try now, the chance will slip away. I'll bury all my doubts and I won't be afraid. There's something I could never see. Now my heart is open and I believe. And I don't know where this soul will go. Oh, nobody knows. Oh, out of nowhere and into my life, you walked in and you opened my eyes. Can't believe this could happen to me. You came crashing in out of nowhere. Oh, this love is straight out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. There's something in your touch, baby. The way that your body's moving me. And I don't know where this all will go. Oh, no.